I'm Susan. It's been a while. Today I'm going to do an Instant Pot meal, and it was really good. And I got it from this book. It's from Jeffrey Eisner. I used to follow him on, when I first got my Instant Pot, I followed him on YouTube a lot. And he had some really good recipes. And for my birthday, we went to Tupelo, and I went to Ollie's. First time I've ever been, and I found some great books and a couple of recipe books. So you'll be seeing some recipes from these. And today I made, it's called, I can't pronounce it. Let me see if I can find it. Today I made this, and I cannot pronounce it. Cacio y Pepe? I don't know, but I do know it was really good. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you're doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm sorry about the noise. I've got my air fryer going. For this recipe, you'll need 3½ cups of chicken or garlic broth. And I'm using garlic, and it's Better Than Bouillon is what I used. You'll need 1 pound of acini de Pepe, and I am so sorry. I know I'm butchering that, but I don't know how to pronounce it. But you need, it's the what is considered pasta pearls. You'll need 8 tablespoons of salted butter divided into 1 tablespoon pats, 1 cup of Parmesan, or you can use Pecorino Romano or mix or whatever you like. All I have is Parmesan, and 1 tablespoon of pepper, preferably cracked black pepper, but I don't have that. You'll want to add your broth and your pasta to your Instant Pot and stir it real well, and add 4 pats of the butter on top. Now you'll want to secure the lid and move the valve to the sealing position. And you'll want to cook it on high pressure for 6 minutes and quick release when done. Now you'll want to stir the remaining 4 pats of butter, the Parmesan, and your black pepper into that. And here it is. This was really a very, very good side dish, and my family loved it. It had that Parmesan. It reminded me of midnight pasta, and it was just really good. And you know, it's just had that pasta taste with the garlic broth and the Parmesan mixed in. It was really, really delicious, and it went great with our pork tenderloin and my 30-minute dinner roll. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.